Life with cataracts meant I could not see clearly at all. It also meant that things were dull. There was not a lot of life in things. Colors were not what they were supposed to be. It's dramatic, as a matter of fact. I have a unique condition. I have what's called a radiokeratotomy. I had it done in 1993. I'd gone to my optometrist. He looked in one of my eyes and did a picture of it, and the cataract was so pronounced that they couldn't take a picture of my eye to actually tell what the health of the back of my eye was. It was so clouded. So he recommended a local ophthalmologist in Clarksville. The doctor there never even talked to me about getting me out of glasses. It was all about just getting the cataract taken care of, not the lens replacement. When I came to Dr. Horn, it was a different world. He said, I can do this for you. My wife is listening to that at the same time, and so she has discernment beyond what I have. And so our conversation in the car was, she was really happy that we had gotten out of that surgery, that we had not gone with, this is good enough, but we came to a guy that we really think has done the best job possibly could be done. This is kind of cool. We had on the television, I had one of these flame things, where you have the fireplace deal with that going on and the music playing in the background. What the exciting thing is, when I had one eye done, I had my right eye done, and I'm looking at the flame. And the flame is a different color than I've ever seen it before. When I covered up my one eye, the eye had not been done, I was looking and I would see these blue and pinks and stuff in the flame that I'd never seen before. I covered up the other eye and it's all amber. It just looks like, all the same color. It's amazing to me that the colors of life have exploded because of the surgery, because of not cataract surgery, lens replacement surgery. It's amazing. The light is incredible, and things are so sharp. It's fascinating. I've worn glasses since I was in 3rd grade. I've never seen as well as I do right now, and I'm 66 today. He gave me vision for life, but he gave me an opportunity to see things through eyes that I never thought I'd have.